This time, I'm sharing a super cute mushroom kitty nail set. I'll walk you through the detailed steps for 2 of the designs. They both start with the same prep steps. First, apply a thin layer of base gel to the nail. Use a sponge to dab white painting gel over the entire nail.
Apply a layer of nude cat eye gel. Use a magnet to pull out that halo effect.
Take a bit of gummy gel, pinch it into a strip that's thinner on both ends and thicker in the middle. Place it across the nail like this, then make a few small adjustments.
And this will be Kitty's mushroom hat. Use red color gel to paint the hat. The safer way is to build it up in thin layers. Then add a layer of red crushed diamond glitter gel. Next, use painting gel to draw Kitty's facial details. Use black for the eyes. Then add some cute whiskers, a tiny yellow nose, and a little pink blush. Of course, the mushroom hat also needs some white dots. Use a dotting tool to place white painting gel on top. Even though Kitty is wearing a mushroom hat, don't forget her bow accessory. Mix a little white painting gel into the mold gel. Fill it into the mold and make sure there are no bubbles before curing. Okay, attach the bow onto the mushroom hat. Apply top coat over the whole nail, and this design is finished. For the second design, we'll start directly with a prepped nail. Apply a layer of matte top coat. This helps the liquid products grip the nail better. Use red blooming liquid to draw a plaid pattern on the nail. 3 vertical lines and 3 horizontal lines are enough. Keep the lines a little wider.
After it air dries, encapsulate the whole nail with builder gel. Add a few small charms here as well. It can be a bow made with a mold or a ready-made charm like this. Then add some star glitter pieces. Okay, finish with top coat and it's done.
Thank you so much for watching every time.